In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop users from joining your Discord server. If you want to prevent new users from joining your Discord server by disabling the ability for members to create invite links, this process is simple and only takes a few moments. Adjusting this permission helps you control who can invite new people, making it easier to manage your community and reduce unwanted members from joining through invites created by regular users. To get started, open Discord and select the server where you want to change this setting. Once you're inside the server, look toward the top of the channel list and click on the server name. This will open a menu with several options related to your server. From that menu, choose Server Settings to access the server's management tools. Inside the Server Settings menu, locate and select the Roles section. This is where you can manage what different members are allowed to do within your server. Since you want to prevent regular members from creating invite links, you'll need to modify the default permissions for everyone. Select the Everyone role, which represents the default permissions applied to all members unless they have another role with different permissions. After opening the Everyone role, scroll through the list of available permissions until you find the option labeled Create Invite. When you locate the Create Invite permission, simply turn it off. Disabling this permission prevents members with only the default role from creating new invite links for your server. This gives you greater control over who is able to invite others and helps limit unauthorized access to your community. After disabling the permission, make sure to click Save Changes so your new settings are applied. If you leave the page without saving, the permission will remain unchanged, so this final step is important. Once the changes have been saved, members who only have the default Everyone role will no longer be able to create invite links. As a result, new users won't be able to join your Discord server through invites created by those members. Keep in mind that users with higher roles or administrators may still have permission to create invites if those permissions have been granted separately. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully adjusted your server's permissions to better control who can bring new members into your Discord community. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,